Welcome to Tamasha, Chef JJ here. Is it audible enough?
For all you people who love everything grand and splendor and who also expects the best out of food and the drinks, then you cannot miss out on visiting this place, which is lit and filled with extravagance. Yes, you guessed it right. It is none other than Tamasha. This place is huge.
Located amid the corporate hub of Lower Parel in Mumbai, Tamasha is one of the largest restaurants in the city. The very first thing that catches the eye is the ceiling filled with dangling filament bulbs, followed by the wooden decor, the most beautiful interiors, and the furniture that is modern and contemporary with a loud and proud vibe to it. The food at Tamasha is amazingly delicious, and with a menu that is inspired by the global cuisine and is so experimental in nature, it is no surprise that there is a vast array of options to choose from, which is so evident from their thick menu. But if you want to play it safe, then you can try all the dishes that has Dekh Tamasha mentioned in front of them.
Welcome to Tamasha, Chef JJ here. We're proud to bring to you the new world cuisine with a touch of Indian. As the name says is all, we've got all Tamasha and gimmick in everything that we do. So do come here to have an experience we all know as Dekh Tamasha.
We tried some of the recommended dishes that falls under $20, and we tell you that it was indeed a great tamasha of food on our table. To start with, we had the spicy chicken and chive dim sums from their starters, followed by the Dekh Tamasha titled and oh so delicious mutton galotti skewers with the Malabar paratha. But we saved the best for the last, and it was none other than the ever interesting Jack Daniels infused dal makhani with baby garlic naans. We mean, who would have thought about JD shots like this? And if you happen to order this, then be ready to experience a great tamasha on your table as the chef does his magic with the flames. You can also enjoy some exotic cocktails at Tamasha. They do not display such a huge bar for no reason.
Well, not just in food and drinks, but there is Tamasha in every corner of this place. Definitely one among the restaurants in Mumbai where you'd want to stay a little more longer.